Hi everyone, good evening. So today we are going to do print handwriting. Print handwriting warm up exercise. We will do 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes warm up exercise. What you all need to do, you need to practice along with me. Don't just sit and watch me. Please do practice along with me. So date is today 27th August. There are 15 warm-up exercise, 15 to 20, which we need to do on daily basis. Hi, hi Shweta ma'am, hi Sruchi ma'am. Yeah, so today we are going to learn about print handwriting. Only 5 to 10 minutes. We will do warm-up exercise. Later we will start with letter formation. Today we will learn letters also. So first one, yeah, I am good Shweta ma'am. How about you? How was your day? So Shweta ma'am, could you please bring out your notebook and pen? We will do warm-up exercise. Please don't sit and just watch me. Please do these exercise along with me. Later we will do some letters. We will learn some print letters. First we will do warm-up exercise. So first warm-up exercise is down to up straight line. Down to up straight line. You can see the height of these lines should be equal, plus the gap between these lines should be equal. This is first point. The gap between these lines should be equal and the height of these lines should be equal. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. This is wrong. Height, gap, everything should be equal. 2, 3, 4. And one more thing you need to observe. Always touch baseline. This is our baseline. This is our top line. TL top line, BL baselines, right? So always touch baseline while writing anything. Always touch baseline. Never touch top line. Never touch top line. So first exercise is a straight line. Straight line. After learning this print writing, you can start your teacher's training also. Straight line. And this is very useful in mandala also. Shweta ma'am, these exercises are very useful in mandala also. Straight line. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight line. The first one is a straight line. Okay, I have. Okay, ma'am. Sanjana Kumari. Hi, Sanjana ma'am. Yeah. So first one is a straight line. Go from bottom to up. Bottom to up. Height, gap, everything should be equal. First one is this. Second exercise is horizontal line. It should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have shaky hand problem, for example, your horizontal should be like this or like this, vertical, it will improve gradually. After few days, after few months, you will see the improvement in your handwriting. Even your shakiness will be reduced. Like this you need to practice. Second exercise. First one is vertical line, straight line. Second one is sleeping line or horizontal line. These are two exercises which we have completed till now, warm-up exercises to improve our print writing. Third one is circle. circle. It should not be oval, it should be circle. First you need to make C and then you need to make reverse of C. First you need to make C and then reverse of C. Height of all the circle should be equal. Height of all the circle should be equal. It should not be oval like this. It should be circle. Neat and clean circle. Is it clear, everyone? If you have any doubt, you can let me know. We will do these warm-up exercise for 5 minutes only. Later we will start with letter formation. Letters we will start. Only 5 minutes we will do this basic hand exercise. First one is straight line. Second one is horizontal line. Third one is circle. Always remember, do not touch top line. Always touch base line while writing anything. Second point is always have same gap between the letters. Even the letters height should be equal. It should not be like this. One. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be equal. 1, 2, 3. How you can do practice? Straight line, horizontal line, circle. Straight line, horizontal line, circle. Straight line, horizontal line, circle. It will improve your concentration also, focus also. Third exercise would be C. Fourth one would be C. Next one would be reverse of C. Reverse of C loop. Next one would be N loop. First you need to make a small vertical line, straight line, and then reverse of U. And then reverse of U. First we need to make one small line and then reverse of U. At least you need to do these exercises 5 minutes per day. At least 5 minutes per day. If you have any doubt, you can write it down in a comment box. Are you able to understand? Could you please let me know in comment box? Shweta ma'am or whosoever is sitting here. Please write it down. Have you cleared with all these concepts? Next one is U. For U, first you need to make small vertical line, then make curve, and then again vertical line moving upward side. U. And then big U. Big U. Next one is M. M loop. See, the height of these both and reverse of U should be equal. It should not be like this. This is wrong, even though this is also wrong. Do not make like this. The height of both reverse of U should be equal while making M. Apart from this, these are not letters. We are doing practice of warm-up exercise. It should not be like this also. The middle part should touch baseline. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? These are few warm-up exercises which we have done today, and now we are going to start with letter formation. From A we will start letter formation. Letter in print writing we will do letter formation. Yeah, first letter is letter A. You can make letter A in two types. First one is you need to make one small horizontal line, come down with a vertical line, and then you need to make one horizontal line in middle, come down with a curve, and then again horizontal line. Letter A. This is print letter A. See, the height of this horizontal line and the height of this should be equal. It should not be like this. Neither be like this nor be like this. This is also wrong. It should be like this, A. Letter A. Either you can make like this or you can make like this. First you need to make a small C. Come up with a straight line. Come down and make a small point. This is also a form of print handwriting letter A. Both are correct. Either you can write like this or you can write like this. Both are correct. Practice at least 2 lines. Do practice along with me. I am doing practice 2 lines for letter A. A. And always remember to touch base line, never touch top line. Second way of making letter A would be make a C. First you need to make a C. Come down with a straight line and a small horizontal dot. Letter A. Letter A. First we need to make C and from here we need to go up and come down like this. Letter A. First we need to make letter A. This is our letter A. It should not be squeezy. It should not be like this. It should not be too much bold. Both are wrong. The proper size, it should be in a proper size. Should be like this. So this one is wrong because I am going below to the baseline. Never go below to the baseline while writing anything. Is it clear? Letter A is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Next letter is letter B. For letter B, these are small letters. We are doing practice of small letters. Print writing small letters. Then we will learn about capital letters. Print writing capital letters. Letter A is completed. Next one is letter B. For letter B, you need to make one straight vertical line, standing line. Later you need to make reverse of C. This is letter B. This is letter B. First you need to make one standing line, then you need to make one reverse of C. And one more thing you need to focus. It should not go like this. This is wrong. It should not be like this. This is also wrong. It should be very clear. First you need to make one straight line and then make reverse of C. This is letter B. Make straight line, go up and then make reverse of C. Make straight line, go up with a straight line and then make reverse of C. This is letter B. This is letter B. Next one is letter C. For letter C, you need to make single curve. This is letter C and it should not be like this. This is also wrong. It should not be like this. This is also wrong. It should be like this. The both edges, both endpoints should be equal. Both endpoints should be parallel. So this is letter C. Print writing letter C. Both endpoints should be parallel to each other. It should neither be like this. This is also wrong. It should not be like this. This is also wrong. It should be like this. This is a perfect one. Letter C. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in comment box. Letter C. So we have done till now, we have completed 3 letters. Letter A we have completed with 2 forms. First one is like this. like this. Another one would be like this, letter A. For letter B, it should be like this, and letter C would be like this. You can see the height of these letters should be equal. It should not be like this. You are making A, then you are again making letter A, and then making B, and then making C. It should not be like this. Height of each letter should be equal. Height of each letter should be equal. Example, if I am making A of this height, then I will make another A also with this height, and then I will make B also with this height, and C also with this height only. You can see the height of each letter should be equal. Is it clear? Next one is letter D. We have completed till now three letters with A is of two formation, B is single formation, C is also single formation. Next letter is letter D. D would be make a C. First you need to make a C, then go up with a straight line, come down and make a small dot. This is print letter D. Letter D. Letter D. Letter A, B, C, D. How you need to write A? The height of each letter should be equal. Always remember the height of each letter should be equal. E, B, C, D. See, the height of each letter should be equal. It should not be like this. If you are making A like this, and then another A you are making like this, B you are making like this, C you are making like this, and D again you are making like this. It is going like this. This is totally wrong. The letters height should be equal. This is wrong. It should be A, B, C, D. Again there is a little mistake I did. No, the height of these letters are equal. Or you can make like this: A, B, C, D. This is also equal. Is it clear, everyone? If you have any doubt, you can let me know in comment box. Till now we have completed 4 letters. You need to do practice of these letters. First one is letter A. At least 2 lines. First one is letter A. At least 2 lines you need to do practice. Today we will learn till letter E only. Now I am doing practice of letter A. Later I will do the practice of second formation of letter A. Second formation of letter A would be like this: A, this is our letter A. Next one is letter B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is letter C. Next one we did letter D. Please do not sit. Do practice along with me only. Do not sit and just observe me. Do practice along with me. You need one notebook, one pen, and do practice along with me. See, I have made this one wrong because it is roaming. It is flying in the sky. It is not touching baseline. So I put wrong here. D. Next one is letter E. Now we are learning letter E. For letter E, first you need to make one horizontal line. one small sleeping line. Later you need to make C. This is our letter E. First you need to make one small horizontal line, and from here itself you need to make letter C. Otherwise you can make letter C and then you need to make one horizontal line. This is also letter E. This is letter E. Print writing letter E. First you need to make one small horizontal line and then C. This is letter E. Letter A. Letter A. Letter B. Letter C. Letter D. Next one is letter E. You can see the height of all those letters. It is equal. It should not be too small or too big. It should be equal. If your hands are paining, you can play imaginary piano. If your hands are paining, now you can play imaginary piano or imaginary keyboard so that it would got relaxed. Now again you need to do practice. You need to do practice of all those letters together now. A, B, B, C, D, E. One more thing you need to focus. The gap between these letters should be equal. Height should be equal. Everything should be equal. Gap and height should be equal while writing anything. You need to write like this now. A, B, C, D. This is wrong. See, this is wrong. A, B, C, D, E. Again you need to write like this. A, B, C, D, E. Again you need to write A, B, C, D, E. Again you need to write A, B, C, D and E. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can let me know in comment box. I am waiting. Once completed, please let me know in comment box that done. We have done 5 letters till now. Plus we did one warm-up exercise. We did 5 letters and one warm-up exercise. Now I am going to repeat the process. How we have made letter A. Again you need to write down 5 lines. This is line 1, line 2, A, B, C, D, E. Again A, B, C, D, E. Again A, B, C, D, E. Again third one would be A, B, C, D. See, the letters are roaming in the sky. These are wrong letters. It should not roaming in the sky. It should not flying in the sky. It should touch baseline. Always remember, while writing anything, it should touch baseline. A, B, C, D, E. Hi Sejal ma'am on channel. Sejal ma'am, please do not sit. Do practice along with me. Please do not sit and just watch. Please do practice along with me. Yeah, we will do practice in plain paper also later. Again, next letter is letter F. So one more time I am writing and then I will teach you letter F. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E. Next letter is letter F. For letter F, you need to make one curve. You need to make one curve in the air. Later from that curve end point, you need to make one straight line. You need to make one straight standing line. In the middle, you need to make one horizontal line or sleeping line. This is print letter F. It should be like this. Letter F should be A, B, C, D, E. And next one is letter F. Letter F would be like this. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can write it down in a comment box. Till letter F, if you have any doubt, you can let me know. Till now we have completed total 5 letters. If you have 6 letters, if you have any doubt in these letters, please let me know in comment box. Sejal ma'am, Shweta ma'am, if you have any doubt, Suchi ma'am. Long 21 Englewood. Sanjana ma'am, if you have any doubt, please let me know. We have done till letter F today. You need to do at least 2 lines for letter F. F, 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 F. See, I am writing in 80%, 20% gap should be. You need to leave 20% gap while writing anything. See, I am writing in 80%. This is 80% and 20% I have leave the gap. Letter F. F. I have worksheets also, but we will not use any worksheet. We will learn foundation of print handwriting. So till now we will done till letter F. So please do not sit only and do not just watch. Have one notebook and pen along with you and do practice along with me. First one is letter A. We have done till letter F. You need to repeat again and again. A, letter B. First you need to make one straight line and then reverse of C. Next one is letter C. Next one is letter D. For letter D you need to make C and go up with a straight line, come down with a small dot. Next one is letter E. You need to make one horizontal line and then make letter C. Next one is letter F. For letter F you need to make one curve and from here itself you need to make one standing line and one sleeping line in the middle. So you need to do practice of letter A at least 5 lines. 5 lines, letter A, 2 letter F, 5 lines, letter A, 5 lines, letter B, 5 lines, letter C. Before our next class, you need to practice 5 lines of each letter. 5 lines of each letter you need to do practice. Apart from this, you need to do connection of words. How connection of word? It should be, you need to practice like this. A. The gap height should be equal. Letter B. Letter C. You can see the height and the gap. Letter D. Letter E. And one last one is letter F. You can see the height of each letter is equal. Apart from this, you can see the gap between these letters. are also equal. Gap between the letters should be equal. The height of each letter should be equal. If you have any doubt, you can write it down in a comment box. Please let me know if you have any doubt. So today we will learn only these letters till letter F we will do. Tomorrow we will learn rest letters. From letter G we will start from tomorrow. If you have any doubt in these letters, you can let me know. Otherwise we will wrap up this session. Thank you everyone. Bye.